Hello everyone. So today we're going to be seeing how to make homemade glue. Now this is an eco-friendly glue that you can make at any time easily using ingredients you have at home. And in case you run out of glue at any point in time, this glue will always come in handy. So let's quickly go ahead and see how to make this. Now I've borrowed this recipe from our recently launched ebook called Mama Earth and Me, which is a handbook to raise environmentally conscious kids. It is basically the narrative of a girl called Adriti and how she, along with her family, takes simple steps to protect the earth and her resources. So this book also has a DIY section from where we'll be borrowing this homemade glue recipe. So as you can see here, this is the recipe that I'm going to show today. To start this off, we first need about 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. So I have the wheat flour here. I'm going to add it to a container. I also have about 1 teaspoon of sugar here. Now this is optional, but I'm going to be adding it in. This will give a little more gooey and sticky consistency that we need for the glue. So I'm adding in about 1 teaspoon of sugar. And now I'm going to be adding in the water, and then I'll give it all a stir without any lumps. So this is about half a cup of water that I'm adding in here. Now make sure to mix it in without any lumps. Now that it's mixed in completely, I'm going to set this on a stove and then start it off at a low to medium heat. And I'm going to just cook this on this heat till it starts thickening up. So you can see that it's starting to cook and it is also starting to thicken up. So now I'm going to reduce the flame all the way through. Now at this lowest setting, I'm just going to cook it for a while longer till it becomes the consistency of a glue. So now you can see that it's become pretty thick, and this is the stage when I will switch it off. And now we just need to allow this to cool down completely before we bottle it up and then use it. I've emptied it into a bottle, so you can just empty it into any bottle that you have. And this is how it looks, and I'm going to show you how it works. There you have it. You can see that I've stuck all of these petals using the glue, and although I'm not very creative, you can see that the glue has worked. For example, this is a petal I've stuck some time back, so you can see that if I try to move, it does not move. So the only thing with this glue is that you have to allow it some time to dry up, because it will take a little bit of time to dry up, and then you can use this as you use any other glue. Now let us try it with a sheet of paper. So I'm just going to apply some glue onto the sheet of paper here. So now it's sort of dried. I'm just going to try pulling it up a little. So you can see that it has done a good job of sticking, and it will stick more when we allow it to dry completely. So as you see, this is a great alternative for your glue, and you can even give it to small kids for them to play around with, because it is not toxic at all. So do try this at home, and if you like to see more such zero waste, eco-friendly recipes, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification so that you know as and when we post any new content. Until next time, bye. Thank you.